Hello, my name is Jan Mattes. I'm Chief Program Manager for Signavio Process Analysis and Mining, and I will now show you my personal release highlights of October and November 2025. So you are probably aware that you can also see what has been newly introduced in our releases here via our built-in help. So this is basically the highlights coming from our user assistance colleagues, and I think they do a great job in sharing what's new and how to use that easily. Let me nevertheless explain some of my personal highlights. So the first one you see here right away, that's basically the ability to also expose the percentage of monetary value in our process flow widgets. So it's not only the number of items that you could see in the past, but now it's also the monetary value. And that makes really a huge difference because if I click here into the details of such a process flow, then you find how the numbers look like in terms of monetary value. But if I remove the switch, then you see the curve is way flatter. Now that's the number of items that I display here. So it's still an increase, but by far not that severe as we've seen it in the start page if we just look on the monetary value. So let's go back into the start page. You recognize it's basically a personal start page I created for myself for order to cash. You might be aware that we had also an old start page. You can see it here on top. That is still there, but we will remove it. So it's deprecated. So make yourself familiar if you don't use that with that personal start pages. That's really important. Another great thing and step forward is the ability to manage and to see in the start page also the usage of master data, the automation rate, and also the throughput. You see two examples here. Here's the automation rate for customer invoice clearing and the usage of customer master data. And that's basically very, very helpful because it gives you an important information. And we have similar numbers also available for configuration now. So this is the sales order, the sales document type usage you have here basically, and that really gives you great visibility. In addition, we've been introducing also new improvement opportunity dashboards, specifically in sales. We have 3 more items. That's improve on-time delivery performance in sell-from stock. That's to reduce the number of customer-specific configuration objects, as we just seen here. And it's to reduce the number of days delivered late to customers. And if I go into improve on-time delivery, then you can easily see how our numbers are looking. And unfortunately, it's not that great. So the number with 7 or 5% of the sales order items fully confirmed and delivered in time, that's really not so nice. And if I look here on the numbers, where we did not meet the requests of our customers with 85%, that's also not really great. I need to do something. And what's great here from the system point of view is that you can mark such a dashboard now also as a favorite. It will then appear as your favorite dashboard in the improvement opportunity list and also in the start page. And you can duplicate such a dashboard to make it your own. So I make it now my sales dashboard and duplicate, and then I go into the start page itself, and I see now a new dashboard sales, and then I can start editing that and basically configure what kind of widgets I want to see here and how those widgets will be depicted. So I hope you like what you have seen, and stay tuned for our next delivery, which will be delivered end of December. It will be a very great delivery, I can tell you, because there's great things, as you heard by Silvio Arcangeli, to come. And hopefully we will deliver in December release something really, really amazing. If you liked my preview here, please give me a thumbs up on YouTube and stay tuned. Bye-bye.